We're going to dedicate this FFA building, Ag building, in honor of Shelby Rose Byerly. I got to know Shelby several years ago. She's a young lady of great achievement. She overcame a lot of obstacles and a very successful young lady.
This building will be used by our students in a lot of different ways. So animal science obviously will work with the animals, learn how to raise them from start to finish, and horticulture will learn pasture management, and then ag mechanics will also work on facility maintenance and things like that.
Truly, we're inspiring the passion of agriculture. Worksheets are easy to do, but they don't really teach. And to have an opportunity for students to go to the barn and to see an animal, most students haven't even seen a cow in real life or close up, or a goat or a sheep. And so this opportunity is really opening the doors for these students to spark their passions, to learn more, to develop further than just a basic worksheet or basic notes that they develop in the classroom.
I think that it's awesome, and I think that the hands-on approach is my favorite thing about the career technical and agricultural education sectors of education. And I think that because it's exciting and it's new, it not only brings in a lot of students to an industry that they didn't really know that much about to begin with, but it also helps them develop real-life skills.
I hope that they get educational opportunities that they never got. I hope they find their passion. I hope they find work ethic. I hope they find responsibility. I hope they find everything that they couldn't anywhere else in the school. I hope they find a safe place that they can call home, a place that they want to be at late after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they want to be out here working with animals, and they want to learn more, to be more, and develop themselves more.